Grew up in them trenches, I ain't have it all. Glock 30 corner board, cause I ain't shoot no basketball. Was 20 for the gunplay, used to feed him like my ratchet off. Gave many niggas wig shots and watch them take a drastic fall. DVD flow, got Sooty with me on the D-Lo. Fuck Costa Rico, we duck indictments in the Rico. Nigga far as she know, they gotta find me like Nemo. Go Dan Marino, I play that field, also Cinco. 20 from the bando, Draco like a banjo. And be careful what you wish for, I blow out the candles. Like you don't want me clutching on this eagle like I'm Randall. It's bad traction on the Hellcat, they hard to handle. Take them back to park lunch, when I ain't really talk much. You be sawdust, my gun playing park a thought bus. How you fought us? He got smoked cause he crossed us. Was supposed to call you to line me, but he called us, he fucked up. I was facing life as a jit, but I bucked up. That's why I stuff a dick in the glizzy when my gun bust. My man's playing strip, and once you hit, he give me thumbs up. Right here, dumb nuts, my dick swinging like nunchucks. 150 blue perk 30s, that's the cash flow. You an asshole, you blew it all like where the bag go. He give me fad vibes, undercover Donnie Brasco. Third world countries with poppies, ain't talking Castro. 40-year sentence, buckets trying to give him back like 25. 15 ain't nothing, he been down 8, round that to a dime. That nigga thuggin', in bid mode, he really doing time. Know that he coming, Ray Charles can see it and that nigga blind. They gave Messi 27, we was 16. My nigga only 32, he been down 16.